Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Riley back with another one. And I'm trying to do my hair, which doesn't make sense. I know that I'm starting this like now, but hear me out. I'm probably like, today's like the 3rd of November. I'm probably gonna do this hairstyle probably on the 3rd of December. That's why I'm starting to prep now, because I wanted to do this hairstyle as soon as I possibly can, but then I have modeling on the 10th of November, which is in 7 days. It's next week Sunday, and I already have the hairstyle that I want to do for modeling. Have my shoes, have the dress, everything. But oh gosh, I think this is gonna be beneficial for like putting on the wig and stuff. But then basically this is the hairstyle I want to do. You know, but then this is basically the start of the video. Hopefully I'll remember to continue it. And yeah. So guys, I just came back from the beauty supply store, if that's what you may call it. Remember I told you guys that I wanted to do like a crochet afro? I haven't had the crochet hook. Hold up. See, I got the crochet hook and I wanted to do a crochet afro for real. And then as time went by, I realized that I want to make like, to have dreads, you know, soft dreads type thing. I was like kind of contemplating between the dreads and the afro. I think I'm gonna do the afro next month, trying to plait my hair more instead of like constantly wearing wigs for like next year, this year to next year. Even though putting a wig on is somewhat the cheaper option for me because I have a variety of them and I could just plait my hair, put them on, or install, and just call it a day. I'm just thinking of buying fiber and learning how to plait my hair. You know, we're gonna go through our trial and error and all of that. So yeah, I think, like, you see this is pretty. It's a pretty hairstyle. I wanted to do this. I wanted this, but now considering my outings, considering my Christmas modeling class Christmas party, I think it would be better for me to like do the dreads, you know, do this. Yeah. If that doesn't work out, obviously we're just gonna go with the default of this. So yeah, we'll just see, maybe kinky twists or whatever. It's just gonna be like simple hairstyle, guys. It's not gonna be anything big. I'm just gonna plait my hair. I'm gonna do my lashes as well. I'm not gonna do my nails because I don't know, I think I've gotten sick and tired of nails, honestly. I mean, my last set was the best set ever. I think it was the best set for my last set. I don't know, maybe next day I'll change my mind, but right now I just want to rock it natural. Even the lashes are just gonna be for tomorrow and Thursday. I'll take them off. Yeah. Part my hair, because I remember from the last time I did my hair, I had a comment that, you know, I should probably pre-part my hair. Obviously I could not do that because my hair was short, but now that my hair is long enough, I can pre-part it and deep clean it, and then we're gonna see how this goes, okay? Yeah. I feel like I'm starting my period soon and I don't like that, but anyway, here we are. So this is the hair. I'm almost done sectioning, I promise y'all. I'm almost done. I just need to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and then I'll be done with everything for the first part, and then I'm gonna plait my hair and we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. Okay? Yeah. As much as I have the mirror that side, I feel like it's a bit too far, so I'm just gonna, yeah. just found out I don't know how to use a crochet needle, and I just found out that I decided to experiment at the wrong time. So now this thing is like kind of stuck in my hair. So I know I'm not done. I just wanted to see. I just wanted to experiment with this one, just to see how it's gonna go. Yeah, it's going though. It's not going how I wanted to go, but it's going. At least it went in. Not it just can't come out. Yeah. I have progress. The crochet needle was out and the fold where this thing is in. So yeah, I'm just gonna like finish up here and then start with the side, you know. Yeah, so that's the first one. That's how it's looking. I have no words. Let's just yeah. I will like try to do the first half of my hair and try to see how it looks, because right now it looks a little rusty. It looks like actual dreads. So and that's maybe with this one. This is a different fiber. This is the more expensive fiber. We'll see with it because it's so springy and nice. I don't know, I just like the quality of this one more. It's everything to me. And then I'm gonna have to fix the front, the top actually with the root. No, because why does this look so nice? Why does this look so nice? And then it unravels on me. But like, can y'all see the difference between this and this? I know that this one is more hard and kinky, and obviously the roots are not proper, but like, can y'all see the difference? Yeah, these ones I'm gonna take both of them out. I'm gonna take both of them out and then I'll see. I think maybe these ones, if I do the twist, I'm gonna put on the roots, and then yeah. But I'm doing the twist. I'm doing the twist. You know, one would say I'm struggling. You know, like I'm genuinely struggling, and another one would say the exact same thing, because I'm just out here living life, man. Am I living life or is life living me? I don't know, but something is being lived, whether it's being lived properly or not properly. Yeah, man. Yeah, honestly, yeah. I'm just gonna try to do this one last time in a different manner and hope that it's gonna turn out properly. And then if it doesn't, I don't know if I would say that I totally like it. I mean, it's alright. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I don't hate it. I think what I don't like is the fact that it's always so difficult for me to find the right color. Next time I'm just gonna go for brown instead of blonde, instead of color 27. Yeah, these are quite short though. Quite short. Didn't expect them to be long, and they're gonna be so uneven, but then again, I really don't care. Like, as long as my hair is put together and under like some style for a very long time without me having to wake up plaids, you know, yeah. So it's like, so next time, very soon, I will be doing the crochet afro instead. I don't wanna leave your love behind. Can't keep up with the ways that you change your mind. If you can't keep up and break my heart to pieces, somebody else gon' sweep it up, oh damn, sweep it up. You can't keep up. On the hand, it's still hard to reach ya. Don't let your next mistake be the one that teach ya. Somebody else gon' sweep it up, oh damn, sweep it up. You can't keep up.
Some of these concepts are uncomfortable. Just remember that if you decide not to proceed at any point in the evaluation process, he never leaves this facility.
Okay, that's how I look, but like, obviously I'm not done. There's still a few, like, so I have like 8 left. I have 8 of these left, and we're just gonna have to see how it's gonna turn out. You get what I'm saying? I think altogether they're like 24. So yeah, there were 24. I think, I don't know, but if these finish before I'm done, I'll be using the other ones because I realize that these ones are much nicer. I'll use the other ones as like default, you know, because I like how these looks like compared to this. Wait, yeah, can you see the difference from this, you know, this and this? Other than like the sizes, I don't know, let me find another one. Yeah, this and this. If you look closely, you can see the difference. Right now I look so weird. I just want to, when I finish, I'm gonna like use mousse to just like make it look proper. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna be in my earth girl era. That's not, but anyway. Okay, don't mind how messy my room is, but I just realized that this whole time I've been crocheting the incorrect way. So usually I would put in the hair first, right? Hold on. I'd put in the hair first, like over here, right? I'd put it in and then clasp this thing and then put it in my hair. But then, what I should have done is put this hook in my hair first, see? Like so. Okay? Put the hook in my hair first, you know, let it chill in there, and then get my twist, right? Find the hook in the thingy, put the whole thing in there, and then close if I desire to, and then pull it, and then boom, it's easy to take out. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I decided to like try a different method because I was genuinely struggling, and it's not my hair right now. I was genuinely struggling, like I was honestly like getting so irritated, and like for some reason it's getting late, but it's getting hotter, and it's kind of frustrating, but it's okay. On top of that, my thigh is sore. It's in. And then yeah, oh my gosh, I'm genuinely so happy that I found a better way to crochet because I was dead ass like struggling. But anyway, let me continue, finish, and then I'll be back when I am completely done. So that's how the girl's looking. I have not put the mousse on my hair. But, okay, here it is.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's slay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, wish you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama.
I've been wanting to do this hairstyle for like a very long time. I can't even like put a time frame on how long I've been wanting to do this hairstyle. All I know is it's been a very long time. Okay, yeah, that's all I know. That's all you need to know. That's all that is known. You get, yeah. So after a good amount of time, I'm gonna start styling it, start going crazy, start looking gorgeous and shit. But I'm gonna have to try to find a hairstyle to do tomorrow. Like I really wanna like low-key do bangs and stuff, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, I'm very happy, very excited. I even like how it looks like pulled back. Like it's like, yeah, it's eating. And for my first time, I'd give myself, considering the fact that it's my very first time doing this hairstyle. I know that I've braided hair before, but considering the fact that it's my very first time doing this, I would give myself an 8 out of 10. an 8 out of 10 solely because if I had used the correct fiber, if I had bought 2 packets of the correct fiber, it was gonna look better. But then yeah, we still have this little messy here, so I'm like doing my lashes, and that's how they look. And I'm basically done.
I just keep thinking about after the surgery when I couldn't swim. I just realized I didn't even know who I was. Neither did anybody else.
My eye is like a bit swollen,
All these kids
but
that
then
I've
it's
been
fine.
for 15 years.
I think I installed these ones properly over here, like they're proper, and then these ones here, as you can see, there's like a gap, and then here it's the same thing. These ones are good, and then we'll just have to see what lashes that I'm using. I'm also using the multi-pack lightning wisps. So yeah, it's like it's time for me to sleep. It's 11:09 and I just finished doing my lashes. I was watching a movie that I've been wanting to watch since grade 7, and there's like 30 minutes left of it, called Midnight Sun. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow or like on Sunday. The reason I'm saying Sunday is because this whole week is jam-packed with a lot of things. So it's just chock-a-block in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go sleep. My eyes need rest clearly. But yeah, that's how I look. Yeah. I'm not gonna drink other drugs and put eye drops. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys very much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to do more hair content because I think I'm starting to get into that area, and I kind of like doing my own hair. It's so fun, and it means that I get to experiment with my hair however I want instead of letting people play on my head. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and tell me what you guys would like to see. Let me cater to your needs, okay? Other than that, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.